Okay, so the first thing you need to do is visit creditguys.com. That's credit with a K. You know what I'm saying? And then click that get started button. Don't click I want to know more. Click get started, and then put in your personal information. We're gonna get notified once you ready to get started, and we'll start by conducting what is called a credit audit for free. So once you on board and put all your information in, upload what the required documents, we get started on a credit audit, and we'll send you a message like, "Hey, you ready for your consultation?" Once we set up this consultation with you, we're gonna go over the credit audit and pretty much get a little history on your credit profile from you. Some of these accounts. When did you first notice that they showed up on your credit report? How long they been on here? Are they actual factual debts? If so, what addresses are they associated with? Just figuring out what's going on so we can create custom disputes according to the information that you give us, according to your credit reports, what it shows and says, according to what we know or what we've seen previously with other people's reports. And then we'll send out the letters, and then we'll come up with another response determined off of what the credit bureau says, so we can continuously beat them in the dispute process. Um, After we remove the negative items, we'll help you build your personal credit. So what's going to be at the same time and after, but just depending on your financial situation, we're if you got extra money, then boom, we're gonna start building and repairing at the same time. We're gonna tell you what trade lines to add so you can have a strong profile. We're just gonna help you build your credit up strong. Um, Once your credit profile is built up strong enough, then we'll show you how to get funded for your business or your personal goals. You know what I mean? So it's all about you and what you tell us to do, and we go from there. So, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, comment under my videos. Tell me what you think, how you feel, what you need done. Like the video so it can help other people. Go to YouTube, subscribe to Credit Guides. If not, just sign up. I'm gonna continue to give out information, powerful information. Um, the thing is, on TikTok, they keep blocking me. So, yeah, go to YouTube. Instagram, they keep blocking. Every time I put some serious stuff on here, it's blocked. But nevertheless, yeah, stay tuned.